Okay, it's a pretty cool weather out here. We're down here working on the car, man. Just got this from eBay. It got a little remote. You can sit in the car and just control it. I never installed this before, but I'm gonna do it today. Because this freaking mechanic ass charged me $75 and I paid $50 for this. Why would I pay $75 to install it? You got me for tall. I'm going to install this by myself, man. So we already wiped under the car. As you can see, it's all cleaned up. Now we start running it. Sure. You know who this light real quick?
You meant the camera, right?
On the phone. Film the camera, let me see. And this is a control box. So we're gonna have to find a little clip on here to put a control box on it. When we're done, the control box is gonna be right at the bottom to control the remote.